Welcome to MA300 OL3 fully online class in the spring 2026 semester. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic elements in our Brightspace course. Also, I'm going to give you some tour on the course-related contents. So, first of all, you log on to Brightspace and then click on our course. And I will upload this video under the intro to Brightspace right here. And you can review this video at your early convenience. And the next thing, first of all, I want to go over the syllabus and textbook. So we are using the open source textbook. The textbook is created by our own department, so it's free for you guys to use. And let's click on the syllabus. And here, let's download the syllabus. And let's open the syllabus. So this is MA300 OL3 fully online mathematical modeling of the business applications. And here is my name, Adam Lee, course number, section number, my email address. So feel free to email me if you encounter any difficulty throughout the semester or you need some assistance. And the recommended textbook will be the textbook, open source textbook for MA300 by rename methods. You should also read the textbook to get a better idea of the contents. And the grade distribution, you're gonna have 3 homework assignments. It's 3 bulk submissions, right? So homework 1 is worth 17%, and it's from section 1.3 to 2.3 in the textbook. Homework 2 is worth 17%. It's homework from section 3.1 to 3.4. Homework 3, number 3, it's from simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, and I will provide a PDF file of those. You'll be able to find it in our Brightspace course. Also, you're going to have an Excel project on the simple linear regression and then multiple linear regression. That is worth 55% on the course grade. And you're going to have 3 written projects. First written project is worth 70%. It's based on the section 1.3 to 2.3. And written project 2 is also worth 17%. It is based on the section 3.1 to 3.4. Written project 3 is worth 70%, and it's just basically about the simple and the multiple linear regression. They add up to 100%, and this is a grading rubrics on the registrar's office. So if your overall score is between 93 to 100, you get an A, right? You're going to follow this grading scale closely. And the minimum grade to pass will be 60, right? That would be a D. Anything less than 60 would be an F. So the overall expectation for the course, so basically it's online class, so you will need to complete all the homework assignments, written project by yourself. You cannot use outside help or hire someone to do the work for you. And no late submission will be accepted during the semester. Once the Dropbox for a particular assignment disappears, then that assignment will not be accepted. And any assignment submitted via email will receive a grade of 0, right? So everything must be submitted via the Brightspace. And then for homework, in order to get credit for homework, you must submit it via Brightspace, clearly marked with your name clearly printed. You must show all work for the homework assignment to receive full credit. And you also need to scan the homework assignment as a PDF file, and then submit it via Brightspace. No other format is allowed. So you are allowed to submit all 3 homework assignments as a bulk submission. Also, you're gonna have 3 written projects. For all 3 of them, you must show all work to receive full credit, and you also get partial credit if your final answer is off, but most of your work is good. I'll give you credit for the work. So that's why it's important to show all the work. You also need to scan all the written project as PDF file and then submit it as PDF file. Also, you need a scientific calculator or the Excel. You can also use this recommended online calculator called Decimals. You can just go to Google, type in Decimals scientific calculator, and then basically you don't have to purchase the hard copy calculator if you don't have one. And just click on it, it'll take you there, and you can use this to complete your homework assignments and written project. It's pretty user friendly for this particular calculator. Okay. Brightspace, all the relevant handouts and documents, also the lecture videos, PowerPoint, will be located in our Brightspace course. And we also need Adobe, right, to view all files. And then next thing is the course schedule. So on week 1, you're gonna work on linear equations, linear functions, and then week 2, linear equation, linear functions, part 2. Week 3 is exponential equations. Week 4 is application of exponential equations. And week 5, you're gonna submit a written project number 1 and a homework assignment number 1, both due on March 1st, 26. And homework assignment number 1 from section 1.3 to 2.3. And you can find all these questions from our textbook. So let me just go there and show you where you can find all the homework assignments. So you just download this PDF file of the textbook. And let's open this textbook. And there's an index here. You can just look at it, right? So starting on section 1.3 linear equations, and it's on page 7. So if you want to scroll down to page 7, so you're supposed to read through all of these textbooks, right, on your own on a weekly basis. And then if you scroll down to 1.3, you start to have a homework assignment here. There are 7 questions here, so you need to complete all of them. And then you can do it on your, let's say, iPad or tablets or your laptops, or you can just do it by hand, right? But at the end, you still need to scan all those works as PDF files submitted via Brightspace. And so this is section 1.3 exercise, right? You're going to complete all of them once you review the textbook, lecture PowerPoint, and then lecture videos. Section 1.4, you just scroll down, and all of these questions here. 1.5, just scroll down, you see all these questions here. And yeah, so that's basically where you can find all the homework assignments. And this is all the section numbers. You need to complete all questions, right, from the exercise section. And then week 6 is a finance. So you start to learn how to apply the financial knowledge to understand all these different financial instruments, finance interest. Week 7 is a compound interest and APRs. And week 8 is about annuities. Week 9 is annuities continued. And then week 10 is about amortization schedule. And this is the mortgage, right? It's kind of like how you create a mortgage schedules. And then week 11, written project number 2 and homework assignment number 2, both due on April 12th. 26, and homework assignment number 2 from section 1.1, 3.1 to 3.4, section 3.1 up to question 21. So if you just keep scrolling down here, let's speed up a little bit, and we get to the section 3.1. I think this is the one. Let's see. Okay. We just need to scroll down a little bit more, and let me show you. It's on a, so here that's the page number. It's page 62. And you keep going until you get to the exercise section in the back. So this is exercise 3.1 on page 72. Okay. And you need to finish all this problem up to question 21, right? Up to this. Okay. So that's basically, yeah, that's all. That's your work. And 3.2 up to question 10, just follow this. 3.2, again, you scroll down to 3.2, and yeah, so question 1 all the way to question 10, right here, up to 1 to 10. And then section 3.3 up to question 9, section 3.4 up to question 13, right? You can also find it on the textbook. And then week 12, you start working on a simple linear regression, on a correlation regression. Week 13, simple linear regression. It's based on analysis, right? It's mainly about analysis. And week 14, multiple linear regression and analysis. So week 15 is written project number 3, homework assignment number 3, and then that's Excel project of simple and then multiple linear regression. And I also provide a demo on Excel project, right? So basically, I provide some sample questions, which is similar to the actual Excel project. You guys just need to review those videos. I'll show you in a second. So homework assignment number 3 from simple and multiple linear regression submitted in the Brightspace course under homework assignment 3. Excel project of simple and then multiple linear regression submitted under Excel project submission of simple linear regression, multiple linear regression. So that's basically everything about the course schedule. Academic adjustment for students with disabilities. So if you register with the Feedable office, so you should send me an email, or like Feedable office will send me an email. Identify yourself, and I'll provide a proper accommodation for you. And the policy on plagiarism and academic integrity statement. So basically, you need to work on all homework assignments, written projects on your own, right? Not use outside help. Again, in general, please contact Academic Skills Tutoring Center for the tutoring service if you need any help on your homework assignments, right? They can only help you with homework assignments. Also, complete your homework assignments, written project on time. Email me if you encounter any difficulty or need assistance throughout the semester. Since this is fully online class, so we do not have scheduled weekly meeting. Alright, so that's the syllabus, and then I already introduced the textbook. It's PDF file. Review those. And next thing I want to show you is the course guide. So go back to course home and click on the course guide. Yeah, so on the third icon here called course guide. And then you can download this file. It's also the PDF file. It's course guide basically is central location for all the due dates, all the weekly tasks. Week 1, you need to go through the syllabus course guide, which is this one, and also review the PowerPoint videos from section 1.1 to 1.5, and read the textbooks from section 1.1 to 1.5. Right, and assignment number 1 is complete the exercise from 1.3 to 1.5. all the questions from section 1.3, 1.4, and 1.5 in the textbook. Week 2, review the PowerPoint videos from section 1.6 to 1.8. Read the textbook from section 1.6 to 1.8. And then complete the exercise from section 1.6 to 1.8. You need to complete all questions from section 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 exercise. Just follow this schedule very carefully, right? You can print out this just to keep track of all the work and then the due dates. And then on week 5, and then basically after you finish everything up to section 2.3, and you're gonna complete so you submit homework from section 1.3 to 2.3 via Brightspace. I create a Dropbox. You can just upload a file there, PDF file there. Just submit it as one bulk submission, right? Just one file, no multiple files, just single file. And complete the written project number 1, submit it via Brightspace on Sunday, by Sunday, right? March 1st, 26th. You basically have a week to complete the written project. It will be open on February 23rd, and then you need to complete everything by March 1st, and it's submitted by March 1st. And again, week 6, do the lecture video, PowerPoint from section 3.1, read the textbook from the section 3.1, and then complete exercise there, right? Up to question 21. Week 7, follow the schedule. Week 9, we work on the same thing. Is week 10 memorization schedules. Right? Complete exercise up to question 13 from textbook. Week 11, you're going to submit homework from section 3.1 and 3.4 via Brightspace, and it's due on Sunday, April 12th. Again, you only submit as single one PDF file. Also complete the written project number 2, submitted via Brightspace, due on April 12th. And 12, take simple linear regression, and 13, and I post a couple PDF files as the home assignments from simple linear regression, multiple linear regression. I'm going to show you where to find those in a second. Last assignment is complete homework assignment number 3, Excel project from the simple and the multiple linear regression. Submit them via Brightspace, due on Thursday, April 14th, right? Thursday, April 14th is the last day of the spring semester. Also complete written project number 3, submitted via Brightspace by Thursday, April 14th. Okay. So that's everything in our course guide. Now let's go back to let me show you where all the PowerPoint and lecture videos. If you click on lecture videos of PowerPoint, you're going to see it's organized, everything, all the lecture videos. Section 1.1, this is the first one is PowerPoint, and the second one is the video. It's all YouTube videos. You can pause and then review those videos in your.
When you shop in the King's,
right? And you can review them multiple times if it's not clear to you on the first trial. Yeah, so all the videos are here. It's labeled properly. You won't miss it. And section 2.1, 2.3, 2.2, 2.3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4. Everything is here, and also simple linear regression, PowerPoint, and a video. And yeah, right here, simple linear regression. First couple are first one is a lecture video on the PowerPoint. The second one is Excel demo. Right? If you click on it, you'll see it basically shows you how to work on Excel, how to create an analysis, right? Excel output using Excel. just follow this very carefully. Okay, and then same thing for the multiple linear regression. There's lecture videos and also the Excel demo. It says Excel demo. And also I post the solution for the Excel demo right here. This is for Excel spreadsheet. So just follow this closely and go back to the course home one more time. I'll show you where to submit all the work. So basically, I create a Dropbox for each one of the homework assignments and a written project, as well as the Excel project. So homework number 1, you click on it, upload your PDF file, add the attachment, submit it. That's good to go. And written project number 1, it's gonna be open on February 23rd, right, 6 a.m. And so right now you won't see this because it's not open yet. On February 23rd, 6 a.m., you will see this is open, and you need to finish within a week and submit it by March 1st, 11:59 p.m. And this is all the instructions, right? By this, show all work to receive full credit, must submit a file as PDF file to receive the score. No late submissions allowed. And homework number 2, homework assignment number 2, due on Sunday, April 12th. Very similarly, click on it, upload your file, and yeah. And also, all the written project, right? You're gonna see there's a file here. I'm not gonna open it right now, right? When you start working on this, it's gonna be available, and then just download this file, this PDF file, and you work on it. Once you finish, and you also upload it here, right? Upload that PDF file, and then submit it, and I'll grade it accordingly. Also, homework number 3, if you click on it, I attach both files. It's a simple linear regression and then multiple linear regression. It's a PDF file. Just you can print out that, or you have a pen on your tablet. You can work on it. Finish all the work, show all the work here, and then submit it. Okay, it's about 7 questions here, 7 questions here. Same thing for multiple linear regression. Yeah. And then just work on this. I show all works here and submit it after you finish all the work. And then you will receive the grade once you submit everything. And then also Excel project. If you go down, this is the Excel project on simple and multiple linear regression. Click on that. You can see both files. One of them is the Word document of all the instructions, right? All the questions you need to giving you the context of the scenarios, and then you just review this and then get the Excel outputs, answer all these questions in the Excel file. The second file is the Excel file. Open this and just answer each one of these questions using the Excel outputs. Again, all the detailed instructions, you can find it from the Excel demos, from the lecture videos. There are 3 tabs down below. First one is about rate, enable editing. Second one is about Redwood. Third one is about property. That's 3 different data sets, and basically just work on each one of them, and then answer all these questions, right, line by line. Okay, that's pretty much all the content from the Brightspace course. And yeah, so if you encounter any difficulty or you need assistance or need to meet with me via online, just send me an email, right? We can set up an appointment so we can meet up. I hope you enjoy this course.